Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can clean your AirPods Pro from earwax or being super dirty. So let's begin. The thing I do is I grab myself Q-tips. I got things that cleaning things that you would need are things that you can find around the house easily. Q-tips, I usually cut them in half. I'll show you later about that. And a cup of water, not a lot, so you can dip it and then squeeze it out and then just clean it around. And then alcohol, 91% alcohol. So yeah, first thing you should do, if you have a case, you could take it off because see it, all that dirty. Because it's been in a case this long, you can try cleaning it with a microfiber cloth. I have one right here. You can even damp it in water a little bit, like this. Dry it out, and then just wipe it down. And then use the cloth to dry it out. Then for the inside, that's how dirty my AirPods are. So take the AirPods out. Let's clean the case itself first. Grab yourself the Q-tip, dip it in the water, dry it out, and then just clean it out. And then you can use the other half to dry it out and then wipe it off. Use the Q-tip also if you can to get the edges off. You can get inside of it a little bit. The case looks clean because I haven't used it that long, so yeah. Let's do the headphones itself. You can see inside there's a lot of, like for example, the left one has a lot of earwax. So the way you can clean those off, you can take these off very easily by pulling them. See? And then I put them in the disinfectant after you wipe it down with a Q-tip. This one you don't have to care if there's a lot of water because you took it out. And then after that, you can drop it into the alcohol to disinfect it. Same thing for the other one. This one's not that dirty. You can wipe it down if you want. So yeah. Wait until those are done. And I think, and for wiping down the outside of it, I do the same thing. Dip it down with water and then clean around it. With a damp Q-tip. Like that. I'm pretty surprised my AirPods Pro aren't that dirty. So yeah, that's done. See all the dirty stuff are getting off it. And then that's it for the video of how to clean your AirPods. You can dry it up with a damp towel. And then you can just push them in like normal. So yeah, I'm gonna let these dry completely and have them disinfected like this. So yeah. Take them out and dry them out. All of the earwax from the alcohol will get all cleaned out. Make sure it's super dry. Don't put them on when wet. So yeah, that's about it. Just put these on after they're dry and you got yourself a spanking clean AirPods. Another thing I recommend also, use a cleaning wipe, an alcohol wipe, one of these wipes, and just go around it. Gently on here. Around the case. So yeah, that's it. Okay, that is it for cleaning your AirPods. Now you're gonna have brand new, spanking new AirPods Pro. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And yeah, see you next video. Peace out.